Hey guys, I am back and this is how to make SlimeCraft Studios Major 39. So, get this. Make it monster. Go to the color version. Do nothing. Get this Pika Major effect. Go to the adjustment, I think. Make the hue 180. Yeah, do that. Yeah, put monster here. Let's play the sample now. Next, how to make SlimeCraft Studios Major 40. So, what you're gonna do, grab this asleep effect. Then go to the color version. Do nothing. Go here. Put it +6. So, let's play the sample. Yeah, it kind of sounds like it could be G major 7 without the color version and with the wave warp. How to make SlimeCraft Studios Major 41. So we have this low voice effect, which is right over here. Then go to the adjustment. Make the hue 180 so it can look a bit like normal. And oh, his eyes look cute. Look at that. Look at that. Look at Splat's eyes. His eyes look cute. Okay, enough with that. Okay, oh, hold on. +1. So it can sound like PP effect and freshie equalizer. Actually, PP effect is like 5.5. Yeah. Or should I say -5.5? Let's try that. Okay, let's wait a second. Next, how to make SlimeCraft Studios Major 42. So, this time we're going to get done with the episode. So, make the mode 5, invert red 0. Grab this G major 4 effect. Go down here. Make this monster. Do nothing right here. Oh, I thought I did something. Okay, is that it? Yeah, that's it. That is it. Okay, now let's play the sample. Next, how to make SlimeCraft Studios Major 43. So, go to the Sword 2.0. Make the radius 100 and strength 5. Go make the center X 31 and center Y 52. Okay, that's good. Mute this. Go here. Make the hue 119. Go right here. Put +5, and then put -3. Put +2, and then just do nothing. Do nothing. Let's play the sample. Next, how to make SlimeCraft Studios Major 44. So it's gonna be G major 7 combined with G major 4. So grab this G major 7 effect, duplicate it as layer. Go to the filter, make it both 5. Am I supposed to make it both? Hold on, let's try that. Oh, I'm not supposed to make it that. Okay, I'm not supposed to make it mode 2. Let's change it back. Okay, that's much better. Okay, put this on +5. Do nothing, and that's it. We're done with this one. Oh, it just kind of like skipped the part there. Okay, next, how to make SlimeCraft Studios Major 45. So, go to the ray burst. Make the strength 6. Go to the quicksilver. Make the factor 1000. Make the enable movement 1. Make the speed 1. Just do nothing right here. Alright, do nothing. Just do nothing. Go to the voice changer. Make it robotic voice. Okay. That's it. Actually, is there an extracted audio? Oh, I forgot. Get this G major 2 effect. Let's try now. Next, how to make SlimeCraft Studios Major 46. So grab this G major 5 effect. Go right here. Make it -4. Go to the color version. Make the mode 5. Do nothing. Let's play the sample. Next, how to make SlimeCraft Studios Major 47. So I was supposed to add. Oh, okay. I see a little bit of saturation 100 right there. So make the saturation 100. Do nothing else. Go down here. Make this -5. Then make this -3, and then make this -2. Let's play now. Next, how to make SlimeCraft Studios Major 48. So go make this robot. Get this robot flip effect. Sorry. Okay. Make it 0, which is like obviously muting it. Cause it's like loud. Okay, make it +1, and then go to the adjustment. Make the hue 180. Let's see. Wait, is there a voice changer? Is there a voice changer in this one? Yes, there is. Then add chipmunk. Let's play a sample. Oh my god, it's lagging right now. How to make SlimeCraft Studios Major 49. So grab this distorted effect. Go to the color version. Make the invert red 1. And make the invert blue 1. Do that. Okay. So probably like go down here. Oh, make it -5. And then add computer. You know, it's gonna sound like a computer, but that's what the effect is like. That's what it is. Okay. How to make SlimeCraft Studios Major 50. There's actually another one called 51. Okay, I didn't even add the text. Well, I'm gonna edit it. Okay. How to make SlimeCraft Studios Major 50. So, mute this. I'm gonna have to unmute it. Okay. Put this on -2, and then put this on -4. Grab the ray burst. Make the strength 18. Make this +2. Then make this +4. And then make this +6. Get this mirror and other effect. Make the adjustment 27. And make the adjustment on here 27. Just like Pika Major. Let's play the sample. Next, how to make SlimeCraft Studios Major 51. This is the last one. Okay. Go ahead to tonal shift. Make the dark color yellow. And make the bright color black. Go to the mirror V. Do nothing. Go right here. Make it +3. And put +1. And then add chipmunk. Let's play a sample. You know, it kind of sounds like a zero cake major. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Next off recording, I'll make 5210. Yeah, I'll make the next 50 majors. Well, this is the one right here. Okay. I will see you on the next video. Bye.